I am Utkarsh Aswal, and in class 10th I will be teaching you English and also physics. Okay, so since today is our first lecture of physics and on the screen you are seeing chapter 10, that's because I will be teaching you physics. Okay, so in your textbook physics portion start from this chapter 10. Okay, the name of the chapter is light, reflection and refraction. So I hope that all of you must be knowing what a light is, what does reflection means, what does refraction means, because in the previous classes you must have studied about this. Okay, refraction, reflection of light and all that concept. Okay, so yeah, and one more information I want to give you that please don't think that in the previous classes what you have studied or what you have learned will be of no use. Okay, because in science or in mathematics it is always interlinked. Okay, what you have studied in the previous class will always be helpful in your further classes. Okay, so don't think that that will be of no use. That will be of use, and I think that you all must be knowing what is reflection, refraction, that means. But in this chapter or in class 10 we will be going or learning some more concepts about the light, reflection, and we will be learning about the how a light reflects back from a mirror, how it reflects or refracts, sorry, in the lens it refracts. Okay, so we will learning all that things, okay, in this chapter. But in today's lecture, as you must have seen in our English literature, I gave the students to read the chapter by themselves. Okay, so that they could also get the a brief overview or understanding, they could generate their understanding about the chapter. Okay, and in the next lecture I will explain you this chapter thoroughly and briefly, so don't worry, I will explain you. But yeah, I want you all the students, if you have read this chapter or you have read about reflection and refraction of light in your previous classes, please revise that before starting this chapter. Okay, so this will be your work for today. Please revise the concept and brush up your concepts from the previous classes about reflection and refraction of light. Okay, and in the next lecture I will be explaining you, and you will get a proper video lecture for this chapter. Okay, so don't worry, just be prepared for the next lecture. Thank you.